Buddy, so today we're installing 5mm wheel spacers. So, first thing you're going to want to do, put your e-brake up. Second thing, I am on my driveway so it's sloped. I put a block on the wheel so it doesn't roll back. Next, we need to jack this up. Okay, once it's jacked, and wow, these are immensely dirty. You're going to want to take off your lug nuts. Now I have aftermarket lug nuts, so I have a key I have to use. So I'm going to use my torque wrench and get these off. So now that you have your rim off, go ahead and grab your spacer, line it up, put it on, and put the wheel back on. So after you put your rim back on, torque your lug nuts to 100 pounds. Yeah, 100 foot-pounds, 100 foot-pounds. And there is 5mm on this side, without this side. So I'm going to do that side first, and then do a comparison. So the right side is on, if you can see. There's the one on this side. And this side is without them. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but there is a difference. Now it just needs lower.